716. Before we incorporate the damage level mechanics into the shader, we're gonna need some graphics to let us know what the fuck we're doing. So in data by system, within the ABOMB static data, we've added graphics for overriding the original design. So these are our original designs here for the spark pin, the laser, the Jax bomb, and the box bomb. We're going to override those designs with a binary pattern that tells us what the damage bits look like. So when the damage bits are 0, 0, we're going to use a 0 design. When the damage bits are 0, 1, we're going to use a 0, 1. When the damage bits are 1, 0, we're going to use 1, 0. And when the damage bits are 1, 1, we're going to use 1, 1. For the actual special effect, we're just going to communicate that through the color in the Bombs for Jaws shader. So if we see cyan, it's a spark pin. If we see yellow, it's a laser. If we see orange, we know it's a bomb explosion. And then we can make sure that the simulation is behaving correctly by observing the binary number in the explosion and how that binary number is affecting the tile map. Okay, so down here is our apply override section. And right now it's turned on. And we're going to take all of the different Fada graphics. So it's an array of 81 integers. So array of 81, it's a 9x9 graphic. They're Fada graphics, flames and damage graphics. And they're the flames and damage graphics for tiles 0 through 15 inclusive. And we're going to use these over and over again. And what am I doing here? Okay, so when we're looking at numbers 0 through 3, the most significant 2 bits of that 4-bit value is 0, 0. 4 through 7, the 2 most significant bits are 0, 1, right? 8 through 11, the 2 most significant bits are 1, 0, right? 12 through 15, the most significant bits are set to 1, 1. That's kind of the pattern that's going on here. That's why it's mapped the way it is. Okay, I'm out of time, though. So if you actually do want a longer explanation as to how that works, go here to Ninja Coder. We have a longer explanation. You're on the advanced playlist where we don't over-explain stuff. If you just want technical demos, you can go here, and source code is right here for this snapshot, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.